Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the use of checkbox in Android Studio. In last program we have seen the small calculator. Here we are creating a new project in which we will use the checkbox. So this is my second lecture in Android series. So I'm giving a name, my checkbox example. Everything is same. Just finish. It will take time, little bit time for creating a new project. So this is the new project and we have to close the first one also. So I'm closing this first one. Now it take little bit time. It depends on the speed of your computer. So in this example we will learn how to use the checkbox in Android programming, and I will take a little example, small example, just to understand the concept of checkbox. And in the next program I will take the use of radio button also. One by one I will take all the components. So now it is the use of checkbox. So taking a time. The starting is coming. So this is a Java code and this is my layout. By default in this layout we always having a hello world. So just select this and remove this. Okay. Now we have to design a layout. So this is the layout. Now in latest version 3.3 it's have been changed. We do not have a your action bar. So here we have to design. So first of all we are taking a text view. In this text view, this one, so we give the width and height of this. Okay, first of all we are just designing, then we have to take the checkbox. So this is a checkbox. So here first checkbox, okay, then second checkbox, then third checkbox, so this way we are, I'm taking a 3, 1 2 and 3 checkbox. Okay, now we should give the name and ID. So I'm going in text format. Here text view, I'm not changing a name, so I'm giving here select your language to read. Okay, then give it the vid also is a match parent. So vid is a match parent. See, this is match parent. Select your language to read. Then we should give a size also and center. So we should give text alignment, Android. Okay, first of all we have to give double quotes. Then we have to give here text alignment, that is center, and we have to give the size also, text size equal to 30 dp. Okay, if you see, it will come in center. Select your language to read. Then we have to give the checkbox. So checkbox ID, so here I'm giving ID CHK checkbox. You say C language, C lan language. Okay, so then here also I'm saying C language. Okay, now second checkbox I'm giving a name of Java language, CHK Java language. Okay, now we are giving here the text field, the value which we want to display is Java language. Okay, now in a third we are giving CHK, we can give here Python language. So here we are giving the display value is Python language. Okay, so it will look like this. Now we have to give the position also, because it's a constant layout, and in a constant layout we have to give the location where we want to display it. It's very easy method in constant layout. If you want to display, so just click on this insert constraint, and automatically all the component will get its size. Automatically these are fixed on a screen. Just click on this button, everything is fixed. Okay, now the designing part have been completed. Now we have to make a coding. So in a Java, first of all we have to declare a checkbox. So we are giving here checkbox your C, Java and Python. Okay, and this is a checkbox, so I think B is capital. So this is the class also. To declare checkbox, checkbox, and we have to alt enter for import this. It will import here checkbox. Now we have to link this with the ID. So for linking, C equal to find view by ID, r dot id dot name is chk C language. Okay, if you see, here is the name of the checkbox is C language. So we are linking with the object of C. Now same we are linking with the object of Java. So find view by ID, r dot id dot chk Java language. Then we have a Python equal to find view by ID, r dot id dot chk Python language. Okay, now we have to make a event handling. So whenever we click on these checkbox, and we should generate a event. So c dot set on click listener, set on click listener. Okay, so whenever we click, then new on click listener. Remember, set on click listener. Now remove the set and here type new and on click listener. So automatically will come the click event. Now we can check if the C dot is checked. Means if this checkbox is checked, then we display toast dot make test get application context, then display you selected C language. Okay, then we are giving a toast duration, it is short period of time, and then we give the show. Okay, so similarly we have to make a coding for other button also. So what we have to do, we just have to copy and paste here and we paste one more time, we paste. So we change the name of C to Java, and here we see the change the name of Python. Okay, here we see change the name of Java, and here we change the name of Python. Now we write here we have select the Java language, here we have to give you have to select the Python language. Okay, now we have, if you try to run this program in BlueStack emulator, this is my BlueStack, so it will come here. Just it take some time because it's a Android Studio. It take a lot of time by installing and running and compiling. So this is our designing phase. We have designed like this, and this is our coding, and it taking a little bit time. Running, again taking time. Now you see taking a lot of time, but is going to come here checkbox example, and if we double click on this, first time it show like this, coming like this. So when we click on, you see they select your language to read. When we click on C language, it will display you selected C language. When I click on Java, you selected Java language. And click on Python, you selected the Python language. So this is the way to use the checkbox in Android programming. We will see you in the next lecture, in which we will see the use of radio button. Okay, see you again. Bye.